Welcome to the video classes of DMV Public School CCL Grade A. I am Ashish Kumar Sinha and today my topic is how to create headings with the help of HTML tag. Okay? My dear students, you must have seen this type of headings in your textbook. This is main heading and these are subheadings. This type of headings you can create in your web page. Okay? And to create this type of headings, we have to start Notepad. So my dear students, first of all, we shall have to know we shall have to start Notepad. And how to start Notepad? First, we have to click Start, then All Program, then Accessories, and lastly Notepad. Look here. When you start Notepad, okay, a Notepad window will appear. Okay, and you have to type your HTML codes in this window. Okay. My dear students, heading is an important part of web page. Okay, the H tag, look at this. These are heading tags. Okay, and for creating heading we have to use H tag. Okay, here you can see different types of headings: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Okay, and heading is a container tag. Okay, my dear students, heading is an important part of web page. The H tag helps to define headings. There can be main heading, section heading, and subheading. It is therefore necessary to differentiate between these types of heading with different size for them. HTML tags has 6 labels of headings. Okay, H1 to H6. Okay, and you can see here H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. These are the different level of heading. So first, to create heading, first you have to type HTML tag. Okay, this is starting HTML and this is closing HTML. You can see forward slash here. Okay, this is start HTML tag and this is closing of HTML tag, and after HTML tag we give head tag. Look here, this is start head tag, this is the closing of head tag, and between head tag we use title tag. Okay, this is start title tag and this is close title tag, and you can give here any heading, like I use headings. Okay, now this is the main tag, body tag. Okay, and in body tag we use H1 tag, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. H1, this is starting H1 tag, this is closing of HTML, closing of H1 tag, and between H1 and closing H1 tag we type text like India. Okay, here we use H2 heading tag and we insert the text India. Okay, and lastly we close body tag and finally we close HTML tag. Okay, and now see the output. Okay, see the output. Okay, 6 labels of headings. Here H1, okay, and see the heading, okay. This heading is bigger than H2 heading. This is for H3, this is for H4, this is for H5, and this is for H6. My dear students, H1 defines the largest heading and H6 defines the smallest heading, okay. And you can define 6 types of heading H1 to H6, okay. Headings are typically displayed in larger and bolder font than normal body text. You can see this is larger font than this normal text. Got it? My dear students, we can also align our heading in center. Look here. This is start HTML tag. This is close HTML tag. Okay. This is head tag. Okay. And between head tag, we use title. Learning headings. Okay. This is closing of title. Okay. Now we insert body tag. Okay. This is body tag. And between body tag, we use heading tag. Okay. And here before heading, we use P tag. P for paragraph. P for paragraph. Okay. And P align equal to center. Here align is attribute. Align equal to center. And here we write work is worship. Okay. Now we close the P tag, that is paragraph tag. And here we use another heading tag, that is H2. And we type the text without work, one finishes nothing. Okay. And now we close the body tag, and finally we close the HTML tag and see the output. See, what is the output? Work is worship. But where? It is aligned center. And the without work one finishes nothing. Okay. It is aligned left because heading is by default left aligned. Okay. And due to P align equal to center. Okay. Work is worship is in center. Okay. My dear students, after typing the tags, okay, we have to save it. And to save it, we click on file and then click on save. Okay. And we put file name here. Like my file is first. Okay. And the extension name is .html. Okay. And you can save, you can give the location in my document, or you can also give the location in desktop. Got it? My dear students, to view your file, you have to start Internet Explorer. Okay. And how to view your file? Click on start, then all program, then Internet Explorer, and give the location of your file and open your file from there and see the output.